Hi, I'm Darcia Hart, and today I wanted to introduce you to my water system so you know what I've been talking about all these times. So this is my Kangen water machine, and up here at the top it has a spout where the water comes out, and all you do is press what button you're interested in, what type of water you want. So for the drinking water, there's three types. There's 9.5, 9.0, and 8.5. And when you press the button, it'll highlight it with this little green dot. And you just press it.
Kangen water 8.5.
And then you press it to the next one up.
Kangen water 9.0. Kangen water 9.5.
So I drink the 9.5 water, which is really good. And the next one down is clean water.
Clean water.
And so this is for baby formula. So this is the baby drinking water. See, even we have one for the babies. And the next one down is
beauty water.
Beauty water. So this pH of this water is 6.0. And that means it's really good for your skin, because that's about the pH of your skin and your hair. So if you want to wash your hair in this makes it really nice and soft. Also the plants love this water too. So that's a good pH for your plants, good pH to start off the little seedlings, and it really helps them jumpstart them rather than putting them in chlorine water, which might stunt their growth. And the last one,
strong acidic water.
So this is 2.5 water. It's acidic and it's a sanitary. It sanitizes your hands. Anything that it comes in contact, it will sanitize, like your countertops. If you want to do your countertops or your stove, it'll clean that, or your bathrooms. So these are all the different waters that it produces. And let's just run one.
Kangen water 9.5.
Oh, I did forget one. There's 2.5 setting. The opposite water also comes out, which is 11.5 water, which is a degreaser. So that will take off the pesticides off your food. So let's just go ahead and run it so you can see how it's run. I have it hooked up to a cold water line right here. It's just a nozzle.
Kangen water 9.5.
And when you turn it on, it will make the water just like that. Okay? And so you can pour yourself in a glass, drink it, and it's very yummy. It tastes just like water. It's not any different, but it's very hydrating. Thank you.